If you're looking for electric start-push lawn mowers, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 electric start-push lawn mowers. Number 1, most popular, by Lawnboy. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Honda. Number 3, by Snapper. For more details about these push lawn mowers products, just click this circle. Number 4, by Honda. Number 5, by Troy-Bilt. Find these electric start-push lawn mowers at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Snow Joe. Number 7, by Troy-Bilt. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Billy Goat. Number 9, by Poulan Pro. Discover more electric start-push lawn mowers ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Troy-Bilt.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.